Want a great piano without breaking the bank? Here are 5 Casio picks for every player, portable to pro. Number 1. Casio CT S300 with headphones, prices between $2 to $3,300. Meet the CT S300, a 61-key portable keyboard with touch-sensitive keys that feel alive under your fingers. Ideal for practice and travel, it packs learning features and decent speakers. Plug in the included headphones for private practice. Number 2. Casio Casiotone CT S200 road, prices between $1 $4,200. The CT S200 in red is a fun, ultra-portable 61 keyboard with a carry handle, perfect for beginners and on-the-go musicians. Lightweight but surprisingly musical, it's great for busking or lessons. Number 3. Casio Privia PX 770, prices between $800 $1,000. Stepping up, the Privia PX 770 is an 88-key weighted hammer action piano built for authentic touch and tone. It's our pick for serious students who want an at-home acoustic feel without tuning headache. Number 4. Casio Casiotone CT S200 BK, prices between $1 $4,200. Black and slim, the CT S200 BK is a stylish 61-key arranger that's compact for apartments and classrooms. It's effortless to carry, with easy modes for layering and rhythm backing. Great for creators. Number 5. Casio Portable Keyboard Bundle with headphones, prices between $200 to $280. If you want immediate playability, the bundle pairs a beginner keyboard with headphones and learning materials, a true starter kit. Great value and everything in the box to get you playing today. Like, subscribe and comment which Casio you'd buy.